Hi, I'm Ayushi Agarwal,
And I'm just Singh.
and we are here to demonstrate a project that is the mind control bot. And the headband we used was Neuro Sky Mind Wave Mobile 2. That has 10 predefined features in it, which are meditation, attention, theta, gamma, and alpha, beta, all of this in low and high attentions. And uh, in this, we had to basically manually collect the data,
It was recorded in the form of EEG signals. First, the data was unlabeled. Then we labeled the data and put it into a CSV file, and further we
send it
send it
for
for a classification.
classification.
So the next step in this project is building the classifier for the classification of EEG signals. So for that, I have used LSTM neural network, which is long short-term memory neural network, which is best for time series data since we have time series data in form of EEG signals. So we are classifying four classes, which are left, right, forward, and backward. We got accuracy of 78% on these four classes, I have saved the model weights and architecture for further predictions.
Hello, I'm Ritvik Raj Singh, and in our bot we're using Raspberry Pi, which includes GPIO pins. Now, first we have to create the voltage difference to create the motion of the robot. So we're connecting one pin to the 5 volt and the other one to the other jumper to the ground volt pin, and these jumpers are connected to the motors. Now, due to this voltage difference, the motors start working, like they get the power. Now, the second function is that the pins are providing the direction for the motion of the robot. When the wheels move in the forward direction or the clockwise direction, the robot starts moving in the forward direction. Now, for the backward direction, the wheels start rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. So the robot starts moving in the backward direction. For the left direction, the left wheel stops working and the right wheel starts working in the forward direction, and vice versa for the right direction.
So now we have the classifier ready and we have the bot set up. So the classifier is LSTM on a 4-class classification problem, right? So what LSTM does, it returns us 4 weights or values, and we look for the highest value or the highest weight, and that is a most favorable prediction. So once we have the most favorable prediction of the EEG signal, we can either classify it as forward, backward, left or right depending upon the index, because it is an array starting from 0 to 3. 0 corresponds to forward, 1 corresponds to backward, 2 corresponds to left, and 3 corresponds to right. Once we have these values, we can parse this 0, 1, 2, 3 into a small packet and send it over socket connection to the Raspberry Pi, which then can control the robot. Sounds boring, right? If we just train the model on a historic data and let it run haywire once we turn it on. So for making things more interesting, we made it real time. That is, we used a real time code so that our EG headset or NeuroSky Mindwave would connect to the laptop, fetch real time data using a C# code, and then classify that and then pass that info into a small MQTT packet and send it over to Raspberry Pi, which then can control the bot in forward, backward, left or right. And that's it. That's basically the breakdown of our mind control bot. Thank you.